Jack, rip that door.
What are you doing here?
Getting you out. Here, put this on. You'll need it.
You could get in a lot of trouble for doing this.
Not anymore. Things have changed. We better go.
What about the other prisoners? You can't just leave them here.
They're gone. Hoffman pardoned everybody.
Is that right?
Welcome back to the army, soldier.
Shit.
Let's go. We've got two options. We can go back the way I came, through the guards' quarters. It takes time, but it's safe. Or we can go through the prison blocks and get right into the fight. Your choice.
Let's take the guards' quarters. I gotta work out the kinks.
Sounds good, man. I got your back.
6-4, this is Delta 2. We are en route. Over.
Copy that. We are beginning our run. 6-4 in position. Fox 1, Fox 1.
Hey! 6-4, this is Delta 2. Hold your fire. We are inside the prison. Over.
Roger that. Holding fire. Advise you relocate ASAP.
Man, if Command knew I was here to get you, I'd be in some deep shit. Come on, let's go. Hey, hit that button to open the door. On the desk. One more. All right.
Well, you wanted to work out the kinks? This is the place to do it.
Nice!
What are those guys doing here?
That's Victor's squad. They're clearing this sector.
They're gonna need more choppers.
Take cover!
Ground units are taking heavy fire. We have hostiles in all directions. Copy that. Calling for reinforcements. Over.
Marcus! The tower! Shit, the time security door. Gonna have to hit the button and run.
Nice.
What the hell's been going on in this prison?
You don't want to know.
Marcus, grab the grenades.
Got him.
Get a frag in there! Shit! 6-4, we are moving your location. Over.
Copy that. We are clearing area for extraction.
Marcus, they're cutting through the door. Take cover. Take cover! ready. Here they come! Thanks, man. Can't get a target!
What's up, bitches?
Let's get out there. Delta 1, this is Delta 2. We are ready for extraction. Over.
Copy that.
Multiple contacts!
Right there, over. I see the coordinates. More are coming. 2 clicks to your right. Can you suppress? Over. Negative. We can only cover one target. We need your guns. Over. Negative. We are also taking heavy fire. Stand by. Incoming! Now! Oh, shit! This is 6-1! I'm hit! Controls, not... 6-1 is down, I repeat, 6-1 is down! Be advised, we are aborting mission. Repeat, we are aborting mission. Retrieving Delta Squad now! Delta, there's something moving below ground, over. I see it too. What are we looking at? Hell if I know.
Marcus, we've got to move to the Raven now!